Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Lexo Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can type in a circle or how you can type in any custom shape using your Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial and see how you get it done. First and first, you have to come to your toolbar and make sure you go to your shape tools. So we can try and see how you can type in a circle. So once you select the circle, then you have to come to the object property. Make sure you unfill and make sure you come to the stroke width and apply whatever color, so for you to differentiate the circle and the background. So now for you to draw the circle, you have to press that shift key on your keyboard, so it allows you to draw a perfect circle, and this depends on exactly what you are looking for. Now we have a perfect circle draw this way. Next thing you have to do is to go to your type tool right here. You have to come to your type tool. So after select your type tools, then you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you choose your font style and font size and font style at the top right here. And then you have to come to the object here and make sure you click on type in. Just have to click inside the object. So you can see when I click on the inside the object, it creates frame around the circle, and my type tools ready to make a type inside the box. So you can start to make a type just like what you see on the screen right here. But before that, you have to make sure that your type, you have to change the color. So if I press Ctrl A right here and I come to the home tab here and pick the color and I change to dark, click on OK, then you'll be able to see whatever I'm typing. Then one more thing you can do here is that you can come to your text, whether in MS Word or Notepad. You can right click and make a copy and come back to your Photoshop workspace and press Ctrl A to highlight, then Ctrl V to make a paste. Alright, so once you're able to paste all the text into the circle, you'll need to work on this alignment and make sure everything looks very much neat, such as font style, font color, and stuff like that. So for you to do that, you have to come to the home tab here and go to window. Then from window, you have to look for properties right here, properties. Now it's going to bring out stuff like this, and here this is where you will need to format the text. So first thing first, you have to select the type and press Ctrl A to highlight. So once you highlight, then you can format all the text without any stress. So once you highlight, you can press Ctrl T on your keyboard. This allows you to bring out text property. So once you press Ctrl T, this is going to pop up, and this is all the text character panel. So you can come to paragraph. So when you get to paragraph section, this is where you will need to format the text in terms of how you want it to align to the circle. So you can decide to make it full the circle and choose this full justify, or you can make it align to the full justify center, stuff like this. You can play around with every type format here. Once you are done, then you have to click on this check mark to accept the format of the text. So with that, you can see that the text has been fully formatted into the circle. So finally, you can come to the circle layer at the layer panel here, and then you can easily delete the circle layer, and then you're going to have your text properly formatted in a circle. So you can also change the color, you can change the formatting panel, stuff like that. So let's take a look at the second example I have for you guys on how you can type in a custom shape. So you can go back to your type tools, right, your shape tools here, and make sure you select custom shape this time around. So I'm going to pick a custom shape right here. So I'm going to make use of so this time around, I'm going to make use of one of the shape, this shape right here. Okay, and then I'm going to come here and make a new layer. then I will have to press Shift key and draw a perfect shape like this. Z, Shift key and draw a perfect shape. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to go to your type tools, select your type tools. So when you select your type tools, then you have to make sure the color is black, font size, and the font type. And then you have to come to the shapes and make sure you click on type, and then you can just paste your text into the shape. Ctrl V to make a paste. Then Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so once you are satisfied, and you have to come here and click on this move tool, then you have to fall back to the layer panel here, and then make sure you select the custom shape. Select the custom shape layer and press the delete key on your keyboard. So we're still going to maintain the shape and the way we format the text into the shape. So this is how you can type in circle or any custom shape step-by-step tutorial using your Adobe Photoshop. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.